Could give no satisfactory explanation for the presence of sawn-off shotguns in the boot of the Ford Zephyr owned by Mr. Theodore. The jury know who I mean. And finally, we have the matter of the large accumulator wager placed by Mr. Mr. Stubbs, co-defendant, a bare half an hour after the security van was raided outside Mothercare, Newport Pagnell. We have heard how banknotes stolen during this evil armed robbery were recovered from the turf accountant's office and subsequently were found to bear the fingerprints of the aforementioned individual of Greek Cypriot extraction. Now, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, as you retire to consider your verdict.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, have you reached a verdict?
Yes.
Is it the verdict of you all?
Yes.
How do you find the defendants, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Oh, no.
Daryl, Kevin, Stubbs, and Christopher Theo
Theodotolopodus, you stupid old fart.
You are in contempt of court.
Big deal. I'm down for a 10 stretch anyway, and
I sentence you both to serve 12 years imprisonment. Take them down.
A phrase they'll hear often in the almost exclusively homosexual atmosphere of your average top-security prison.
Love you, Daryl.
Wait for me, Tracy. Wait for me and all, Sharon.
What? You must be bloody joking. I've waited long enough.